Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to attack in place in Path of Exile 2. In order to do so, here we are in Path of Exile 2, and if you're new to Path of Exile 2 and you don't know this trick, this is something that might make your life a little bit easier. With keyboard mouse on PC, you can hold down the shift key in order to aim in any direction. And all you have to do is move your mouse in whichever direction you wish. And you can see here that my character is staying in place and I can attack in any direction at any time. So that's all there is to it. Just hold shift down and you can attack in place in Path of Exile 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.